talk about channel layout. So for the ones who doesn't know what channel layout means, is it how your channel is actually built. When you go to my channel, for example, in this case, when I press right here and plus your channel, and I go to, well, my channel, that takes me where my channel is. It is how the videos are structured, how the channel looks like, what videos pops up first. The part of channel layout, of course, is a logo and the banner as well, but we talked about logo and a banner in the beginner section. So if you have if you want some beginner understanding, go there. We're gonna talk about a bit more advanced stuff in the next lectures, but we're gonna ignore the banner and the logo for now. Now we're gonna talk about only the channel layout. For example, this featured channel, how it will look like, all the videos, how they are structured, what videos are showed first, in what view, and etc, etc. You want this to have as structured as possible. Now the question, why do you need this structure and why it is so important? That's because when individuals are coming to your channels and know that more than half of the people who subscribe to your channel is coming towards your channel page, they need to see a good channel layout. So this channel is one of my channels. It's actually a gaming channel, and which I upload there every single day. I don't have a lot of views. You can see it's quite a little amount of views, but some videos are actually pretty popular, having more than a few thousand views, and they're just doing pretty fine. This channel is doing pretty fine for me, and the majority of the subscribers and views are coming because of this channel layout. It is very important to have very good channel layout. Why? Again, when people are coming to your channel, they see the amount of content that you have, the amount of structure that you have, the amount of videos that you have, and they immediately will think about subscribing because they have something to subscribe to. Basically, they don't have only a single video that they liked. They can watch through a bunch of videos, and they will want to go to the videos tab, and they go and watch all of those things and go and do different stuff, etc, etc. So they have a reason to subscribe. Now, how do you need to build up those channel layouts? So to do so, right now we're in the new YouTube channel layout. All you need to do is just go and press customize channel. You're gonna go and press customize channel, and that will take you to the channel customization. In this case, for today, what it does, it takes me to the YouTube old view, and that's the normal place that we can customize. I don't know, in the future it might change, so depending on when you watch this, but it just took me to the old YouTube channel view. And first thing that you will need to understand is what you're viewing the channel as. You're viewing the channel as yourself, as a new visitor or returning subscriber. You don't need to choose any new visitor or returning subscriber for now. For now, you need to view it as yourself. Then, the second thing that is important to you that you need to take really close attention is this tab right here. This tab has a switcher. It's for returning subscribers or for new visitors, meaning that two different types of people will see two different things on this tab. Returning subscribers for me will see this video, and new visitors will see this video. As you can see, it's smaller for the returning subscribers, bigger for the new visitors, because usually this place is reserved for the channel trailer. You are uploading a channel trailer here. This is the only tab and only place that you cannot move anywhere in the YouTube channel layout. All the other tabs you can move up and down whatever you want, but this is always on the top. For the returning subscribers, you usually want to have either your latest video or the video that people want to watch this video, and you all need to do to change this is by pressing this pencil button and just go and edit. And you can choose whatever you want. You want a video, or if you want an entire playlist here to show up, you can do whatever you want. So for example, I have this video, and instead of showing this video, I can just go and put the video, the playlist where this video is actually available, and I can even change the heading of this thing basically. And then right now, when people are gonna click this, they're gonna click just play all, not just only the one video. You're gonna this is the entire series with the 5 videos, which only 2 are available for now. now, but when they will go there, they will just go and watch entire series. For the new visitors, it's a completely different thing. For the new visitors, it's the channel trailer playlist. This is the video that you want your visitors to watch right away. It's usually the place reserved for the best video that you have, or the most popular video that you have, or the video that mostly represents your channel, or the video that you chose as your channel trailer. Now, speaking of the channel trailer, many YouTubers will tell you that, oh, you need to put a channel trailer in order to explain what your channel is all about. In my opinion, what I see from my experience, channel trailer does not affect your channel growth, because in today's day and age, in the past maybe it worked, but in today's day and age, people just simply do not have time to listen to your marketing pitch for your channel, just why they should subscribe to your channel. They see the videos, they can scroll to the videos, they see what you are uploading. If they want that, they will subscribe. They don't need your words for it. Your channel should speak for yourself, and your video should speak for yourself. And for that reason, I highly suggest you to put your best video, or the video that mostly represents your channel, right here. You can change the same right here. This is said change trailer or remove trailer. You can have a change trailer. You can actually remove and have nothing right here, or you can press change trailer in the same thing that you did in the returning subscribers. But unlike that one, you cannot do playlist here. You can only do just a single video. So you can just, if you want, to do videos under 2 minutes if you want, or this was actually my channel trailers back in the day, or you can go and do the other things like the newest or something else, some other things. So just cancel. I'm not gonna change everything. Next things that you will see, all those things are the channel layout things, basically the things that you can put in the channel layout. Because I have a lot of videos, even though this is the intermediate section, but I have this thing is more towards more advanced types that have a lot of videos. You can start creating this in an intermediate level, and then just go to the future however you want. Right here I have just uploads right here. This is all the latest uploads, and the thing that you will see that different from each and every list you hear is that you have two types of lists. This is a vertical row. I think it's a vertical list. This list is called vertical list, and this is a horizontal row. As you can see, I interchange them. The playlists are usually just in horizontal row, and different things like series and the uploads and stuff are in those vertical lists. So is it does make any difference? No, but it looks good, and because it looks good, it is more attractive for your viewers. So just change this view however you want. So I'm gonna just do and show you one example of how it is done. I'm gonna just go and remove this one right here just to show you how it is done. When you go down, is you have for you it will be near the top, but for me it's on the way down is an add section tab. All you need to do is press add section right here. Or if you want to change whatever existing section, you can press the same thing on edit section. It will do exactly the same thing. And you can select the content that you want. You can add videos, or including popular videos and uploads, your liked videos if you have it of course unlocked. I don't suggest you to do liked videos. Posted videos, I don't know what's the difference between posted videos and uploads. It's basically the same as uploads. Live now, what shows you if you're live now. I have live now tab right here. It will, when I will be live, it will show me right here, show my people right, my subscribers right here. Your upcoming live streams, your past live streams, your playlists, including created playlist, single playlist, saved playlist, multiple playlists, posted playlists, your channels, for example, where channels are subscribed, or custom grouping if you want to show off the specific channels that you want, or if you have a recent post unlocked. The post will unlock, I think it unlocks on a few thousand subscribers. I don't know exactly. On one of my channels, I have posts unlocked, but I have it on 5,000 subscribers, so I don't know exactly when it unlocked. I don't remember. It was quite a while ago. So this is the post if you want to put it. For example, I want to put my past live streams right here. What I will need to do is to select right here, as I will select my past live stream. And because I have selected my horizontal row, it will show it right here in this way. But if I want to change in a vertical list, I'm going to press like this and it will show it in this way. I'm going to press show more and it will be expand more and more and more and more. But that will not infinitely, because it will just stop it eventually. Now because yeah, it returned back right here. And if I want to put it up and down or above anything else, or etc, etc, all I need to do is just press this arrow. So I'll press this arrow and it will go up and down, up and down. I don't need it to be there. I'm just gonna put it in the last place. Oh, sometimes it just lags and just, oh, okay. It's weird enough. It does not want to go down for some reason. Okay, whatever. It's the problem with my customization, so don't worry about that. Probably I will need to just refresh it, and it will just fix itself. So sometimes it just lags and have some problem. As you can see, like in my case, it just disappeared because I deleted it in the past. I will just put a past live streams right here, put the horizontal row, and done. That's it. All I need to do is just put it in the last place. Or now I'll just put this live now tab a bit higher, just because to let my viewers know when I'm live, if they will go to my channel right here. No, I'm gonna put it a bit more above. I did, yeah, like that, just like that, and yeah, just like that. No, just like that. When I'm live, it's gonna show it above everything. I cannot put it higher than this one because I cannot put it higher than this for returning subscribers tab. It's impossible. This will always be on top, and for new users, this will be on top. For example, for the playlist, in my case, I have called it series, but you can change the name of the playlist as well. You can press edit right here. As you can see, I have a multiple playlists, vertical list, and I have add playlist. I just edit in each and every playlist separately, and it just showed right here. Just work with it, play with it, make it look as full as possible. Just fill it up as much as possible. Try to use vertical lists instead of horizontal rows more often, because it takes a larger amount of space in it. It looks like that you have more videos. For example, I have uploads and just popular videos and playlists, and it will just fill out the entire screen when someone will come in. You need to have filled out entire screen for the people to watch. Have your entire screen full. If you don't have enough videos, don't worry about it. Just continue filling it out as your videos come out. Have add the playlist, add videos. It will fill out eventually. Right now on this channel, I have few hundred videos. I'm not sure about this exactly. I have more than 200 videos, so it was pretty easy for me to fill it out. Even though many of the videos will just repeat, like for example, these videos are repeating, like one of those are repeating, etc., etc. Quite full. So don't worry about this. One thing that you will also need to add is the feature channels. If you have any other channels, always add a feature channel. Press edit module right here and add a feature channel if you have. You can call it whatever name that you want, or add however amount of number of channels that you have. If you have other channels, or if you want other channels to promote. This is a good thing if you work with other channels and you want to cross-promote each other. You can do this right here, so do this 100%. Another thing that I want to teach you in the channel layout is this thing right here. It's more close to the banner stuff, but I'm gonna just teach you in this video. This is your links that you want to include on your banner. Just always have links right here, because you never know when people just want to get in touch with you, or just through Facebook, through Instagram, or through Twitter. And all you need to do is go to about section right here. It's says through the about, and you will have a links right here, and press the pencil right here and add the link name that you wanted to call, and then adjust the link. And the icons will appear automatically depending on the website that you do. Not all the websites are doing the same thing, but it will do for the websites that are in the database. You can go and select 5 links. You can go. I don't think that you have a limitation on the amount of links that you can add. You can add actually whatever number of links that you want, but only the few of the links will appear on the channel art. Not all of the links will appear. You can add only up to 5 links on the channel art right here. Well, first one will be the full name. The second ones the other 4 will be just channel icons, and all the rest will appear just right here. All the rest will appear right here if you want. Have it 100%. So this will be it for the next lecture. Let's just move to the next one.